morning, my name is Serena Sorrentino and my tutor is Professor Sonia Bergamaschi. I will present my research activity during the first year of PhD school. My research starts from the problem of uncertainty in data integration. The goal of a data integration system is the construction of a global view of a global schema starting from a set of heterogeneous local sources with different structures, with different semantics. Starting from the semantics associated to schema elements and exploiting structural knowledge, is it possible to discover semantic mappings between local schemas? For this reason, lexical annotation, where annotation is the inclusion of the meaning on schema elements, becomes crucial as starting point for data integration. Moreover, a data integration system may require approximate semantic mapping, as they need to be automatically extracted. For this reason, we affirm that uncertainty in data integration system is best coped with by using a probabilistic approach, and I will present a tool for probabilistic automatic annotation of schema elements. My work is focused on the MOMI system, which is a framework for integration of structured and semi-structured data sources, and the traditional approach, data integration approach in the MOMIs has been modified to cope with the treatment of the uncertainty. In particular, I've taken part to the development of automatic lexical annotation tool that and integrated it in the MOMI system in order to decrease the human intervention during the hard and very time-consuming task of annotation of distributed data sources. Our tool automatically is able to automatically annotate terms of sources, and in particular is able to assign more than one meaning to each terms, and of each of these annotation, assign a probability value that represent the reliability value of the annotation. Our tool is based on a probabilistic combination of a set of different word sense disambiguation algorithms. And in particular, this algorithm required a previous evaluation on a benchmark in order to identify their reliability level. I developed a graphic user interface that allow to the user to choose or only a subset of this algorithm, and also to select among the different execution modalities. For example, thanks to the default modality, the inexpert user does not set any parameter, but word sense disambiguation algorithms are executed only following their reliability level. After the probabilistic annotation, ALE is able to infer, to derive a set of lexical ODLI3 relationship, and the probability value assigned to a relationship holding between two terms can be computed as the product of the single probability of the annotation under consideration for this term. Then all these probabilistic lexical relationships are collected in a MOMIS component called probabilistic common thesaurus that already contains the structural relationship previously derived from schema. This picture resumes the automatic probabilistic process of annotation in the MOMI system. On the left, we start from a set of local sources. MOMI automatically extracts schema-derived relationship and classes and attributes names. In particular, classes and attributes name represent a part of the input of ALE and together with the ODLI3 structural relationship collected in the probabilistic common thesaurus. Then our tool interacts with WordNet and WordNet domain lexical resources, and after the annotation process, the output of tool is a set of lexical relationships collected in the thesaurus. To sum up, I described a tool for probabilistic automatic annotation that is able to infer, to derive a set of lexical relationship with a probability value assigned. And this work is only the first step, but very important step for the process of probabilistic mapping discovery. And future work will be devoted to improve the automatic annotation process, for example, by inserting a data cleaning step before the disambiguation, and moreover, will be devoted to investigate the role of the extensional level during the word-sense disambiguation process. This is my publication, and I finished. Thank you for your attention.